Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the crown button and keep holding it for about 15 seconds. And then you can release it and your watch should reboot. So let's press and hold the button, keep holding it. After the screen turns off, keep holding the button for a couple more seconds. And then once the watch vibrates, it should vibrate at some point. Then you can release the crown button and wait until the rebooting process is complete. And as you can see, we're back in the system. And that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.